Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide photos in gallery on TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper. To hide photos in gallery, go to the Photos app, then choose a photo you want to hide, and then click on three dots in top right corner and find Move to Locked folder. Click on it, then click on Continue, Move, and after a moment the photo has been moved to the locked folder, and to access the locked folder, go to Collections and go down to Locked. Now to open it, you either need to enter your fingerprint or your screen lock. And now you can see the photo from the locked folder. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.